The road of life often produces unexpected twists and turns and leads to careers which, while unanticipated, prove ultimately to be fulfilling and deeply rewarding. A prime example of this principle is Ed Abramowski. Eddie Abramowski, a standout high school football player in Erie, Pennsylvania, received a football scholarship to Purdue University. A back injury ended his football playing career in his sophomore season, however, and turned his athletic career in a different direction. Abramowski became head football trainer at the University of Detroit and also saw duty part-time as a trainer for the Detroit Lions. When Lions assistant coach Buster Ramsey came to Buffalo as the first coach of the Buffalo Bills in 1960, he brought Abramowski with him as a charter member of the Bills family. He joined the Bills at the birth of the American Football League, and the survival of the league and its franchises was a constant concern. Abramowski certainly never foresaw the length of his stay in Buffalo. However, he served the Bills and their fans with distinction and singular dedication for 36 seasons, a tenure equaled only by that of team owner Ralph C. Wilson, Jr. From Kemp to Kelly, from Tracy to Thomas, from Raub to Reed, 2 generations of players, including 12 Smiths, 9 Joneses, and 6 Browns, entrusted not only physical ailments, but also life's problems to the wit and wisdom of Eddie Abramowski. In 1986, he was honored with induction into the National Athletic Trainers Association Hall of Fame. In 1994, he received the Ralph C. Wilson Distinguished Service Award. Tonight, Bills fans and Buffalo sports fans in general finally realize an opportunity to recognize the outstanding contributions which Ed Abramowski has made to football and life in Buffalo. Eddie Abramowski, forever enshrined in the Greater Buffalo Sports Hall of Fame.